we are not here to discuss the antics of some individuals who don't have character. But I'm here we're here, as you can see, the NWC of ADC, the National Secretary, the National Legal Advisor, the Deputy National Chairman in charge of politics, the Global Director General of our campaign, our BOT member, campus. This is a party that is beyond reproach, no matter the antics of people. And I can tell you, I want to start this a process with you by telling you that we have 1,411 candidates in this election. 1,411 candidates in this election. I also want you to know that we don't have a presidential candidate anymore. And among these 1,411 contestants in our party, it's an INEC record that ADC presented the greatest number of PWD contestant election in 2023. We also have the largest number of women contestants. And we have ADC have the largest number of youth contesting in ADC for this election. I think the other two parties that have been in power may not even have presented more candidates in this election than we have. You may not have been hearing from us that much, but we have been busy in the field. Throughout this week, the National Secretary just came back from, as the different areas where he's been, just like every other person here. So we are busy. We want to change this country. We want to change the nature of the politics. We don't want to engage people who want to violate every systems, and whether they are political party system or the entire institutions in this country, because they think they have money. So ADC still remains the party you know. We have presented different presidential candidates at different times. When we were registered, to show the type of party we want to build, we presented Professor Pato Tommy as our presidential candidate. We did that election and went to the last bit. Professor Pato Tommy came third in that election. After that, the next person we presented in 2011 was another professor. He's late now, but he did very, very well. And we all worked together till the end. After Professor Wangu, the next person was a member of our party, Dr. Mani Ahmad. And we all worked together till the end of that process. Dr. Mani, a very distinguished gentleman, has become the BOT chairman of our party. After Dr. Mani, in 2019, we presented Dr. Melafia Abadaya. May his soul rest in peace. A frontline a quality man, that intellectual. We've been consistent. Unfortunately, in 2022, on June 8th and June 9th, our delegate system failed us, and we were left with a mole in our party, whose aim has always been to destroy the party. But by the grace of God, this party is already overcoming that. We may not be running for president, but we have 1,411 candidates in this election. And our desire here is to make sure that we protect them, we work with them, and and in this year, in 2023 election, we will make the largest winning. We've set targets for ourselves, 25% of all the electoral positions. Whether it's in the House of Assembly, that we call our Flamingo group, 25% across the country. Our House of Rep members, we call the Spartans, 25%. We've set the target for ourselves, and we are working on it. For our senators, we set our target 25% of that we intend to win, and we are deliberately taking on all of this. On governorship, we've set our target to win 7 governors. And by the grace of God and the effort that all of us are putting, sacrificing ourselves, sacrificing our resources, even letting our families, that's taking a lot from our families to ensure that we bring about a new Nigeria. We are doing that, and we will not allow any one individual who was thrown into our party as a mole to destroy the party. By the grace of God, the systems have seen clear. The different authorities, the different agencies have seen clear what is happening. And I believe that Nigerian people, because you go anywhere now, we just asked, how did we get into this? But God is on the throne. I want to thank you all and to let you know that we are here just to bring forth our report card and not to deal with anybody's idiosyncrasies. Thank you very much. Sorry. I want to also let you all know that as at yesterday, we are working with INEC and our parties at the state level to get all our polling agents submitted and inserted into the system, the portal that INEC has opened. We are working. Some states have already complied, about 2 states have already supplied their polling agents. Our people in our computer room are on it, working. Some other states have done about, just from yesterday and now, have done over 50%. And I want to use this opportunity to appeal to all our party leaders, candidates, and chairmen of the party at the state level to cooperate and make sure that within the window INEC gave us, that we're able to to complete the 1,890 delegates that we have set for ourselves to ensure that that we win the election that we want to win. We've been here. We work 24 hours. If you come across here, you will see the global campus is open more than 24 hours. And at the state level, they're also working, except for some of the states who's, who are part of the confusion. And in those states, we've also set the appropriate machinery to make sure that we are not distracted. We don't want to be distracted because we want to win the election. We want to win big. Even if the presidency stays off our part, we want to be sure that the 25% that we're going to win, and some critical states will still give us the major result that we want. Critical states that we must win. We've set those goals, and we are on it. We're doing everything possible. We are working 24 hours. Every man or woman you've seen here has worked much better and much harder than any other person, their counterpart in any political party in Nigeria or even across Africa. Thank you very much. I am aware of a court ruling, but not in the context that you've spoken. But at the same time, we respect institutions. The judgments are not out, but we ensure. And then, please, I want to talk to you, my friends in the media. Before we get into some things that are critical, I was thinking that you should have seen whatever was presented. The court cannot give you what you didn't ask, and so on. This agency is ADC is a very disciplined organization, and we are working with every institution in Nigeria to ensure that our credo is maintained.
Sir, you still
spend our time here, the time with the media, to talk about a candidate that does not exist. If anybody here among the media wants to find out what we've always said, go to Delta State. We have governorship candidate, we have senatorial candidates, we have House of Assembly candidates, we have House of Rep candidates. Go and ask them. Is the person in question, whether it's contested election?
Who is this person?
Whoever you know. Go, but I know he's from Delta. Go. We have a young man, a very young, vibrant man, who is the governorship candidate in Delta. Go and I'll give you his number. Call him and ask him if the guy who's been trotting around everywhere in the media, if he's actually contesting election, and so on. So we don't want to be diverted. We have 1,411 candidates contesting this election. And now we respect institutions and authorities and the law. The INEC portal is there. You can check that. Come, you're all very brilliant people. I know you can do your basic research. We don't want to speculate. We don't want to speculate, but I can assure you, you check all the different records, all the institutions, and you will see where we are.
We just sent
Thank
Are you
you.
saying you never participated in your primary?
Excuse me. Listen. Let us ask another question. Working with them, we've sent people for training on this, uploading the agents, and they're still working on it. Why we call this thing is for that aspect of our. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. So with that, we are working on what is present. We are working on agents uploading their thing from various states. You can look. You can ask for any other thing different from that. That's what. Okay, that is the most important thing. Can we have somebody?
The leadership of party has not changed. That's why you are here. These are headquarters. This is the national chairman. This is national secretary. This is legal advisor. Check their name. Question to that one. Forget about comments in the media. This is reality. That's just it. Thank you very much.
Yes, we don't have to keep you waiting. Part of this sitting is about that. So we'll decide what to, after all. Just quickly brief you on our ongoing step by step. We are never derailed in our own processes. So that's, I think, enough for that. Thank you. Next. Yes.
I wanted to hear. We appreciate you for that. However, we don't have any copy of any judgment, and we don't want to speculate. It will be wrong for so it will be wrong for us to come here and begin any form of speculation and so on. You understand? And I want to also tell you that whatever you're seeing out there, they're all bunch of speculation and so on. And I want to appreciate you. So I don't want you to feel any other way, because I mean, a responsible organization will not be speculating. We called you here for a purpose, and then and I think we've communicated that. You've all been our friends, and we appreciate you. Thank you very much, and God bless you.